Hey guys, what's happening? How to use auto clicker on iPhone. To use an auto clicker on an iPhone without third-party apps, utilize the native Switch Control feature in accessibility settings. So open the settings app, find accessibility, right? And all you gotta do is just find the gesture recipe, right? So go to the accessibility and then Switch Control. Right, let me find Switch Control. Right, here. Yeah, Switch Control here. Right, and find recipes. Right, and then what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and create a new recipe. Right, and type in the new name. Okay, and then set the switch. Right, full screen, tab middle of the screen, hold that point, custom gesture, exit recipe, whatever. Right, and if you want it like a full screen, just go ahead to the full screen and then select the action. Right to left swipe, you can choose only one. And all you gotta do afterwards, after you named and created the recipe, you gotta just turn on the Switch Control. Right, so basically that's it. Right, you can turn on the Switch Control, right, and then go ahead and create your recipe, and basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.